Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research and another video related to research. I have been asking around this important topic like how to draft a strong research proposal or a research statement. So I would be covering the important points that must be considered while drafting a brief statement about your research. And stay tuned with me till end because I am going to show you also a sample of my own research, how it looked like when we were talking of briefly stating your entire research. This could be very helpful if you are trying to draft a research statement for PhD or postdoc position or any kind where it is needed. You have to show your research background and what is the thing that must be considered while drafting a research statement. So there are some key important points first that must be remembered while drafting a research statement. The first and very key important point is what got you considered to draft this research statement. So imagine if you are drafting any particular research statement, so you have to keep in mind the first question that you must answer is what got you interested in this research? What is your objective that you want to see while drafting this particular research statement? The second important thing is what was the burning question that you were expecting to set out with this proposal? Or in other words, you must explain in short what is your research summary looks like. The next and the third important question that you must answer is what are the challenges that you come across the way and how did you solve them? So what was the research problem that you are trying to solve and how you acknowledged or solved that research problem? So it could be anything. It could be like around your algorithm, it could be drafting your research statement, it could be while doing experimental analysis, it could be any one that you must frame and try to cover this answer in this section. And the next important question that must address is how can this research be applied? Whenever you are stating some research statement or research problem, it must be an applied form. So what could be the end result look like? What could be the different applications that be built using this particular research statement? It must be very clear and loud to the proposal or to the readers what you are trying to achieve with this kind of research or what could be your end result look like. The next important thing is why is your research important in your field? I am coming from a computer science machine learning background, so I'll show you the examples or samples that I tried to draft in research proposal while coming or speaking about the different research statements or research areas. So you must be able to specify it clearly what are why your research is different or important in your field. And the last important step that must cover is what directions your research will be taken in future steps or what could be the key problems that could be solved by following your research statement or by the next future states of your research statement. It is very important for when you are drafting any proposal, it is important that you show a future application to what your research could be extended. So then only it creates a kind of trust or contributive research that is helpful to benefit the society or the people, those who are facing this kind of challenge. So in your expertise field, it could be like arts or it could be computer science or it could be any of the general discipline what it looks like in your expert area, you must try to cover the important points that could be answered with any of the 6 questions. At least I believe that answering questions makes the process simple because you think in a way that why I have to do this, how it is beneficial, what could be the future steps look like. So by trying to provide answers to this question, I'm sure that you will able to draft a very good research proposal in your field with your innovative research thoughts. So as I promised, now we are coming to end of this video, but before we end and close the video, I would like to show you a strong sample, like how could be the brief research statement look like. So stay tuned with me and let's go to my screen and see what is that I have drafted for you in this video when we are speaking about research statement. I would also like to mention here to go through my different videos that I have created for research, around research, or when speaking about postdoc positions, or how you can write a cover letter, or how you can improve your resume for different faculty positions or research positions. So please check out my playlist research. In that you will find all the videos that are related in this area and topic. So thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. So this is my PDF which says about brief statements of research. It is my research proposal. As you can see, it is 4 pages long, and also the first thing I mentioned is the purpose, the need, why I want to do this kind of research. Okay, it starts with a very good innovative line which is helpful to draw an attention to the reader to take out the time and read the rest of the proposal. So do remember to start the opening statement, the summary, the paragraph is very keen and important to attract and make reader more understandable your research. The follow-up paragraph, it covers the different research proposals or research statement that I have worked till now. So there are many different research problems that I tried to solve in my entire experience till now. So I have drafted each of the research problem statement and what is that I have done in that particular statement, or what could be your algorithm, what is the accuracy level, what are the different experimental setup that you are performing must be explained in this section. So it goes on follow up with the similar kind of thing. This is my second research statement, okay, and here I try to attach even the figure or architecture diagram to make it more interactive for the user and understand the concepts more in detail. This way I have covered the entire research statements or problems that I try to draft, and then lastly I have defined the future scope. Again, this is an important one because you need to create an awareness after giving your entire research background. You have to give a reader a thought process like how your skills or competencies can be utilized to make research more better, or what could be the research challenge that you are trying to solve in that particular domain or expertise. So as you can see, my idea I have mentioned here in 2 to 3 lines, like what could be my motivation around solving a particular research statement. So try to make it very precise, clear, so that the reader gets a clear outline what is that you are trying to solve with your research statement. And then finally I have attached some of the references, the important references that speak around the different research statements I tried to draft in entire this research problem statement. So in this way you can build up your own research statement considering the questions and the points that we have discussed in this video. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and got a clear idea how the research statement must be drafted. So thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.